Hi friends, here we have two numbers L and N. Two numbers both greater than 1 and M is the arithmetic mean of them. That means M equals L plus N by 2. M is at the middle of L and N. L and N are both greater than 1. And G1, G2, G3 are three geometric means between L and N. So between L and N there is G1, G2, G3. Then we have to prove that this g1 power 4 plus 2g2 whole power 4 plus g3 power 4 is equal to 4l m square n. M is the arithmetic mean and L and N are the given numbers. Okay. Now we know L plus N by 2 is M because M is at the middle of L and N. M is the AM of L and N. And we have G1, G2, G3. Right. Then these are geometric means. What does that mean? Between L and N, these three are there. That means if common ratio is R, then G1 is LR, G2 is LR square, G3 is LR cube, and the fourth one, this N is actually LR power 4. Right, if the common ratio is R. Right. So N equals LR power 4. Right. That means what is R? R equals N by L whole power 4. Whole power 1 by 4. Right. So now we want G1 power 4, 2G2 power 4 and G3 power 4. Right. R is actually in the form of N by L whole power 1 by 4. What is G1 power 4? G1 power 4 is LR power 4 and G2 power 4 is LR square power 4 and G3 power 4 is LR cube power 4. We have 2G2 power 4. That means 2 LR square power 4. Okay, we can simply simplify this. This becomes L power 4 R power 4, 2 times L power 4 R power 8 and L power 4 R power 12. If we take L power 4 R power 4 common from this expression, it becomes 1 plus 2 times R power 4 here because there is R power 8. If we take R power 4, there will be 1 more R power 4. Here, the R power 8 will be left. Right. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right. A is 1 and b is r power 4. Right. R power 4 whole square is r power 8 and 2ab. 2 into 1 into r power 4. Right. So this becomes L power 4 r power 4 times 1 plus r power 4 whole square. Right. So far very good. Very simple. What is r? R is n by L whole power 1 by 4. Let us substitute this n by L whole power 1 by 4. That becomes, then r power 4 becomes n by L. Right. Then L power 4 n by L and r power 4 is again n by L. 1 plus n by L whole square. What does this mean? This becomes L plus n by L whole square. Right. L plus n by L whole square into L power 4 into n by L. Right. But what is L plus n? L plus n is actually 2m. Right. M is the arithmetic mean of L and N. So L plus N is actually equal to 2M. Let us put that L plus N is 2M, 2M square by L square in times L power 4 into N by L. Right. So this L and this L square will become L cube and they will cancel and here only one L will be left and one N will be left and 2M square is 2M whole square is 4M square. That becomes 4L M square N, which is what the question is about. Right. So what is this? G1 power 4, 2G2 power 4, G3 power 4. What is this? This is actually equal to 4L M square N. 4L M square N. Like this. A simple problem, very basic algebraic manipulation only. Nothing else is needed. Just that we should not get confused by looking at the power force. Just if you put L and N and put G1, G2, G3 like this, it becomes very straightforward. Right, yes. Thank you.